In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mfc110.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we have to do is to check the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser and just simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter, click on the first option, scroll down, and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then right click on the folder and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right-click, select copy, and go to this PC on the left pane, double-click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder. Here you can find the System32, double-click, right-click, and then select Paste. Now once done, close the remaining windows, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. It could be any of the browser and search for Visual C++, Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Next method, also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and click the button right here to check for all the updates that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.